dinner's done, and little kids here. Everyone's back from school, and nachos are done. Yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try. Hiya, guess what time it is? Time to cook dinner with me. Yep, today I'm making pulled pork nachos. It's gonna take 8 hours in the crock pot, but just follow me along. Pulled pork nacho time. Ta-da. Set it up. 7 hours on slow. Boom. Get out. I'm the Hulk. Come on. There you are. Whee! I did it. I'll just put it in the middle. Yeah. Let's go ahead and put some beef broth. Bloop, 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 bloop. Yeah, just cover the bottom. All right, time to cover. Bump.
Lo que está por ocurrirte lo causaste tú, en el momento en que decidiste matar a uno de mis hombres.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Salt. waste on time. Whew! Well, dinner's done, and little kids here. Everyone's back from school, and nachos are done. Yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try. I know, Anson's not the first one to do it this time, so digging in, right? All right, I'm trying to try to get everything I could in there. Some avocados, some cheese, some black beans. Woohoo! So, there you go.
I don't need cheese.
So, thank you guys for joining me on this dinner. Dad's home. All right.
No.
Bye. Until next time.